Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the incredible underwater explosions produced by acetylene gas and chlorine. Check this out. Okay, so what I'm using in this investigation is sodium hypochlorite that we'll get from household bleach, hydrochloric acid, calcium carbide, and water in this graduated cylinder. First, add 150 milliliters of bleach to your flask. Okay, next I'm going to add hydrochloric acid to the sodium hypochlorite to produce chlorine gas, and then we'll add our calcium carbide to our water. Here you can see acetylene gas rising in the graduated cylinder. Okay, so what's going on in this awesome reaction is we started with calcium carbide and water, and that creates acetylene gas or ethane. That's C2H2. And then we added that with chlorine gas that we generated from adding hydrochloric acid with bleach, sodium hypochlorite. And that spontaneously combusts. And when it combusts, it just leaves behind carbon, that black soot that you saw around the top of the flask, and the gas hydrogen chloride. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.